What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV, the Samsung Unpacked 2019 event for Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. Unveiling is August 7th at 4 p.m. Eastern Time in Brooklyn, New York at the Barclays Center. Yours truly will be there, and I'll be covering it, making videos and all that stuff for it. And not only should they be releasing the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, but they might ultimately release other products as well, such as a new Galaxy Tab S5, maybe a new smartwatch, and who knows what else. But you're here for wanting to know where you can watch the event. Now you can watch it on all the links that are listed in the description down below. A lot of those are Samsung's official websites, press websites that they have, YouTube, so on and so forth. It should be a very fun and cool event. And when Samsung puts on these productions, they're very showy and cool looking. They have the floor that like changes and has video on it when the people are walking, and the backgrounds are real cool. It's a fun event. It's one of the best unveilings of a device when they do it. Apple does a really great job as well. Almost a lot of companies do great jobs, especially in the mobile side of things. But I would say Samsung and I feel like Apple and Google too actually are really good. I would say they're the three best. But regardless, you're here to watch it. It's going to be linked in the description down below. August 7th, 4 p.m. Eastern. It's a little bit later than it was in the past years. It's usually been in the morning. They're pushing it to the afternoon for some reason, whatever. So figure out where you live. Like I live on the West Coast, so for me, if I was gonna be on the West Coast at that time, I'd be watching it at 1 p.m. Pacific. So just figure out the time zone difference for Eastern time zone versus where you live. But regardless, everything is listed and linked down below, guys. My question to you guys is, what do you think is going to be released? Let me know all the products that you expect to be announced at the event. I think there's gonna at least be 4 products, and that kind of be what I just talked about. The Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus, I think that's 2 of them. Galaxy Tab S5, and I think the last one will be a smartwatch. Maybe some more. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Also, let me know if you usually watch these events anyways. I always watch them when I'm home, so I think they're really cool and fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. I'll see you guys down the road. Peace!